Now let's welcome our guest for this hour, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, let me start with the obvious question. And as I was watching this trial unfold, I couldn't decide what a jury was going to do. I just couldn't decide if they were going to buy her claim that it was self-defense, that he was in a warrior pose. Are you surprised by the manslaughter conviction or not?
I was a little bit surprised. I was very relieved that she wasn't convicted of the murder too. I was a little bit surprised. I felt like there was ample reasonable doubt that she did anything nefarious, right? Obviously, only two people know exactly what happened in that room, and one of them is dead, and the other one just got convicted. But to me, if you're gonna acquit Marcia Thompson, I think you had more reason to acquit Ashley Benefield than Marcia Thompson, right? Like, she was not a trained person. Her husband was a trained military man. Clearly he had rage problems. Clearly he had been a very menacing type of figure in her life. We saw that with the text messages that the prosecutor herself brought up, right? So, you know, and I had this gut feeling this entire case before she took the stand and after she took the stand that the jury just wouldn't like her, right? And it's just a gut feeling. Again, that's why I was relieved she wasn't convicted of the murder too, but I still was a little bit surprised that she was convicted at all, because at the end of the day, why else would she kill him? She would invite him to her house to help her move and then just murder him. Does she look like the type of person who would orchestrate a murder of the father of her first child? It just didn't fit to me, Judge Ashley. I was a little bit surprised, but kind of relieved at the same time that it wasn't the murder too.